The use of CBD items has skyrocketed in a really short amount of time. Now, a new bill could change the way Tennessee tests for drugs. News Channel 5's Eric Hilt shows us what it could mean for people who use legal hemp products.
At Music City Hemp,
oh, it's absolutely huge.
Owner David Duncan has watched the industry explode since the legalization of hemp-derived CBD.
I was the first store in town a couple years ago, and it was sort of a novel thing, but now it's certainly deeper and deeper in our community.
But even though the business has changed, one question hasn't.
What it always comes back to is people say, I really want to take CBD, but I'm really concerned about testing positive.
A new bill introduced to the state legislature hopes to help answer that question by changing the levels of THC that triggers a positive drug test. Right now, the limit is set at 50 nanograms per milliliter. The new proposal would triple that to 150 nanograms per milliliter. The change would apply to government employees, people on parole, probation, or bail, and to students. So what's the difference? Lawyers tell me since CBD has small amounts of THC, frequent users can reach the current limits. But studies show it's very unlikely for somebody using only CBD products to pass the 150 nanograms per milliliter line.
It's good that it's being addressed now. It's been a little...
Back at Music City Hemp,
it's just been a gray area, and that's frustrating to a lot of folks.
Duncan says he hopes the legislation goes through and that it can put customers more at ease. In Nashville, Eric Hilt, News Channel 5.
Lawyers tell us that if the limit changes, people who have smoked marijuana may be able to pass a drug test, but people who have used pot recently and frequently would still exceed that limit and test positive.